It's my turn to make the moto vlog now. I got Bae these gloves. Gonna give them a tester myself.
Gotta make sure you're warmed up.
Is it turning off? Why is it so weak?
It's just cold.
Oh! Oh, thank God. Thought I wasn't gonna be able to ride today, Bae. Okay, guys, let's go for a ride. Oh God, I don't know how I feel. I forgot how to ride this, bruh. The next thing that we are testing out on this ride is actually the new ProTaper bars. I've actually haven't ridden them before. If you guys have seen in the last video of us actually putting the ProTaper bars on here, I actually have not tested them out just yet. We just put them on and I honestly didn't even test them out. They felt so wide to me. I'm gonna get this garbage can out of the way! Oh my God, I almost just... I definitely will say in the past few minutes that I have been riding, the ProTaper bars are definitely wider, but I do like them. I actually enjoy them. One thing you will hear me say a lot is don't stall, because that is definitely a really big problem I have. When learning, I get really anxious when I have to stop because stalling is honestly really scary to me. For me, stalling is really nerve-wracking. Wow, I actually haven't even used my front brakes this whole time. That is, I almost just actually stalled there. I was in second and I kind of just slowed down. When it comes to coming up to a light, my preference is to be behind another vehicle. Ooh, a taco. Oops, that's the horn, guys. Sorry about that. I will say I haven't tried any new wheelies after that one video. It kind of... Oh, I don't know if I pushed it there. After doing that wheelie that made me crash, it has... I do have a deep stomach pit when going back on the bike. I do get a little anxious. I've tried a couple of wheelies, but oh, I don't even know where the hell I am, guys. Let's turn over here. Oopsie. Oh, now my high beam's on. I hope I can remember how to get back. I don't think I've ever actually used this light to get back. What was that? It's so windy right now, and I always ride with my visor up. Because normally I have that nightshade visor on. So now I actually have a clear one, but I'm so used to having no visor. I feel like I can actually just see out of it a lot better. But these raindrops are actually getting on my eyelids. I don't know. The video I definitely want to do next time. Oh gosh, I actually have to stop here. That's terrible. Y'all can go ahead. Please go ahead. So it gives me time so I don't stop. Slay. Anyhow, these are actually pretty good. Just takes a lot of getting used to. I'm definitely not going to be doing any wheelies today. I kind of feel more secure when Bae is around. One thing I am afraid of is crashing not because it hurt last time. Like, I had a wound to the left of me, and it stayed for a good little bit. Not because of that. More just because, you know, May actually owns this bike, and having me hurt it and again is definitely not something I like. This road is a little wet, so we're just gonna turn the corner very slowly. Okay, the visor is going down. Oh, no, it's not. Ooh. My eyes are squinting so much. It's actually, oh, I did not mean to go down that much. Whoopsie daisy. Oh my god, there's a fucking Cybertruck. There is no way. Those are so ugly, guys. I cannot. I did see a blue one in my hometown. Just, what day was it? Was it yesterday? No, 2 days ago. And damn. The blue was nice, but on the Cybertruck, so gross. Like, oh, stop sign again. Can you go so that I don't have to stop? That would be terrific. Please make it first person. Okay, right. Like how there's no mirrors on here, only because I really do like seeing like what's behind me, who's behind me, especially if there's a cop. Like, I will not know you're pulling me over because I cannot hear shit. I mean, knock on wood, I don't have any real wood close to me, but hey, one of the garbage cans are gone. Here we go. Well, that was a great tester ride. Oh, Sierra's my favorite person. Glad I made it to the other side of the road, because if it was still in the middle, I would honestly get out and go put it on someone's lawn, even though it's probably going to roll back right in the middle. I've seen this puppy like 3 times on my ride, and I swear, like, I'm still learning how this neighborhood is going. Oh, what puppy? I have 2 myself, and one is getting a bill, which is so sad, but no, oh, there's a car behind me, and I stopped. Well, guys, this is probably a very not that interesting a ride for y'all. I had a lot of fun because I haven't been able to go on the go in, like, not a lie, probably like 3 months riding alone. Well, no, we're only in December. It feels like already end of January. But ProTaper, I do love your bars, and I love them on the bottom. And that's definitely a punch buggy under the tarp, so punch buggy to all of you guys, and no buggy backs. That's so cute. Anyhow, in the next video, that I was gonna say was I would love to do a video on Xavier's SI, as I'm still learning how to drive manual on a car, so doing a video with you guys would be super sweet, and I will catch you guys next time. I don't even know if this is gonna go up. I hope that me almost running over the bin will go up, but that's about it. Bye, y'all.